Should I keep duel or merge trap? I say duel friend. Honestly, have an extra disaster for next round or whenever. Honestly, have fun with a super sub mode. Honestly, I'm gonna kill some game modes by you. It's speeding time! You know what? I'm gonna bring in an extra tornado. I cannot do this single-handedly. Should I keep duel or merge trap? I say duel friend. Should I keep duel or merge trap? I say duel friend. Honestly, I'm gonna force a sub mode. It's time to throw the meteor! Oh man, it's over. See you guys.